Hello guys, Lock People Mechanic here today with a Cisa lock. As you can see, this is the keyway for it, pretty wild, and we've got some pretty nasty bitting on this one here. Works as you expect, as you see. Anyways, we're going to get into picking and hopefully we can get it open, and hopefully from there we can get it gutted. Right, little couple of clicks off one. Okay, okay. Okay, got a spool set there, but I've seemed to drop some. Okay, we got the open. So pretty gnarly lock. This doesn't have the retainer on it, but yeah, that's open, and let's hopefully get it gutted. So I've got some tools here. Okay, gonna need an Allen key to remove this. Like so. And that should just pop out. There's the plug spinner. And that's the important bit. Put the rest to the side. Okay. We need a follow-up. Attempt to spread this. We can lock that back up as we've got the key. Okay, that seems to be spread out all right. Got a little pin in there for whatever reason. Okay. Okay, seems to be nicely lubricated. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready's up. Pretty large pins actually. Okay. So one seems to be like this cracker. And spool. 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 And another cracker pin, so let you zoom in on that, and here's the key. Don't know if you can quite make that out, but these have little crackers on them, if you can see that. So okay, there we are. Okay, so 1 and 5 are these cracker based pins, and 2 to 4 are spools. And obviously there's the keyway there, pretty gnarly actually. That's what that key obviously speculates as well. And there's the bitting. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da.